There could be a lot of reasons why you want to start a side hustle. Maybe you're looking for some extra income, or maybe you want a new challenge. Maybe you just have some extra time to fill. Whatever the reason, we live in a time where starting up your own business or a side gig is easier than ever. There are tons of lucrative options, many that you can do from the comfort of your own home. I'm Terry, financial coach here at Dow Janes, and today I'm giving you 5 of my favorite side hustle ideas for quick cash and tips on how to successfully launch them. Let me know in the comments if any of these jobs grab your attention, and if you would like to see a part 2 with more suggestions or tips for launching a successful side hustle, let us know. Here are 5 side hustle ideas. The first is being a pet sitter. One of the great things about pet sitting is that it doesn't really require any kind of certifications or specialized training. Of course, if you wanted to take a basic course in first aid for pets, that's really good for credibility, but that is optional. If you've had pets and you love animals, then this could be the perfect side hustle for you. Pet sitting responsibilities generally include making sure that pets are fed, watered, and generally taken care of, giving pets exercise, creating safe and comfortable environments for them, and communicating with the pet owners while they're away. Experienced pet sitters can expect to make $25 to $80 per night, depending on the area, clients, and the duties that are requested, and of course, your testimonials. That means that you could make $75 to $240 for a 3-night stay. If that sounds like a great side hustle for you, something you're interested in, start by creating a profile on platforms like Rover, Wag, Indeed, or ZipRecruiter. Next up is a dog walker. So if you love dogs, but you don't have time for pet sitting or the space for doggy daycare, then maybe dog walking is a good option for you. You get time with dogs, exercise, fresh air, and money. Plus, it offers a lot of freedom and flexibility. What's not to love? The job description is pretty straightforward. Take puppies on walks. Just keep in mind that you may not always be dealing with the most well-behaved dogs, so be prepared with a firm hand or a lot of treats. On average, you can expect to make $10 to $25 per 30 to 60 minute visit. You can get started with dog walking by listing yourself on platforms the same as pet sitting, like Rover, Wag, Indeed, or ZipRecruiter. Next up is a bookkeeper. No matter how the economy is doing, everyone needs accountants. All businesses need a bookkeeper, and there will always be some demand. Also, this industry tends to have low overhead and a lot of repeat clients. So if you are detail-oriented and organized, this could be a great side hustle option for you. Basically, a bookkeeper plays a crucial role in maintaining accurate financial records for businesses or organizations. Their primary responsibility is to track and organize all of the financial transactions of the company, ensuring that all income and expenses are accurately recorded. Some of the responsibilities of a bookkeeper include recording financial transactions, keeping financial records, generating financial reports, and recording accounts receivable and accounts payable. As a bookkeeper, you could reasonably expect to make anywhere from $16 to $30 per hour. You can learn how to become a bookkeeper through some training courses. You should learn how to use an accounting software also, something like QuickBooks. When you're ready to launch, you can start generating jobs through networking, word of mouth, or applying for jobs on sites like Indeed, Upwork, or Fiverr. Next up is a virtual assistant. In one sentence, virtual assistants provide personal assistant services in the digital world. Responsibilities can include sorting, responding to, and organizing emails, scheduling appointments, setting reminders, and managing events, inputting and organizing data into spreadsheets or databases, handling customer inquiries, providing information, and resolving issues. Virtual assistants are typically very skilled in communication, organization, and multitasking. If you are organized and tech savvy, this is a great way to make money from your home in your spare time. The national average for virtual assistants is $25 per hour. The only thing you need is a computer and internet access. You can get started by joining apps like TaskRabbit, Chatterboss, and Upwork to market your services and manage your gigs and payments. Online tutoring. You can use the skills and knowledge that you already have to become an online tutor. You can set your own rates, work from home, and put that English major to good use. If you can communicate well and already have specialized knowledge and skills, then this could be a really great opportunity for you. Online tutoring responsibilities include helping students understand difficult concepts and subjects, providing guidance and clarification on course materials, and providing constructive feedback on assignments and assessments. On average, you can expect to make about $20 an hour, but that might change based on your expertise and where you work. You can launch your online tutoring business with online platforms such as Wyzant, Schooly, and TakeLessons.com. If you are interested in starting any of these side hustles, let me know in the comments. And if you want to learn how you can put that extra income to good use, be sure that you check out our free Master Your Money class. In it, we will teach you our aligned money method, the system that Dow Janes co-founder used to go from $40,000 in debt to building a multi-million-dollar investment portfolio. I'll leave a link for that in the description. Thanks so much for watching.